Hello everyone, today we're excited to introduce the Homeon Wheels 19 inches by 14.5, large RV step stool, a versatile and essential tool for your RV adventures. This adjustable height aluminum folding platform step stool is designed with a spacious 19 by 14.5 inch platform, providing extra stability and safety with its anti-slip rubber feet and gripper strips, ensuring you have a secure footing every time you step on it. Constructed from sturdy tubular aluminum, this step stool can support up to an impressive 1,500 pounds, yet remains lightweight and portable, making it easy to store and transport wherever your journey takes you. Its double locking legs fold effortlessly, offering convenience for getting into and out of high trucks, vans, and RVs, while also serving as a handy tool at home for reaching high shelves or helping children and the elderly with everyday tasks. Whether you're using it in the garage, at home, or on the road, this step stool is a reliable companion that enhances safety and accessibility. Unlike other RV steps, this platform step stool stands out with its ease of use and adaptability, making it an ideal choice for anyone in need of a stable and convenient stepping solution. So, whether you're hitting the road or tackling tasks at home, the Homeon Wheels RV Step Stool is your go-to for stability and safety. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.